Listen up, my friend. If you've never received a $500 payment from a happy customer before after working just 2 minutes, you haven't truly experienced online financial freedom. Because with the info I share with you today, not only will you get your first $500 sale, but you'll also do it without traffic, without a website, and without anything even remotely related to chasing clients, trying to sell SEO services or social media services. Hi there, my name is Tom Yezvikov. If you give me just a few minutes of your time, I'm going to show you how we made easy $500 sales without a website and without traffic, and how you can start making sales like these today as well. I promise you'll enjoy this video because it will be eye-opening. And I don't just mean no paid traffic or free traffic. I'm talking about no traffic generation whatsoever. In fact, the traffic is going to be chasing you. I'm not kidding. Without SEO, it's like nothing you've ever seen before. You'll be in awe of how quickly this gets sales. Interested? Because it just gets better. In this video, not only will I show you exactly how it's done, but also exactly how to automate the entire process with $0 out-of-pocket investment. In fact, I guarantee that you don't even need a website, traffic, content, or an upfront investment to make big ticket sales with this. Sounds too good to be true? I'm going to prove to you today that it is as good as it sounds, and how you can try the method out today without risk. Now enough teasing, let's get on with the actual information. It's well known and quite annoying actually that the majority of methods and products that get released these days are just rehashed versions of the same content. It's always SEO this, blog that, chase clients there, build a list here. Now these are fine and all, but let's be honest. Wouldn't you prefer something a little bit less competitive, a little more unique, a little faster acting, if you know what I mean? I know you do, which is why this system is the best thing for you today. And I'm not trying to be sleazy or salesy right now. I'm legit telling you this is hands down the best thing for you right now to follow. Why? Because this is the only system that doesn't depend on what other methods usually depend. It does not contain any paid traffic or slow traffic. Your traffic finds you, but without SEO. No rehashed methods. It's brand new. $0 is your required budget for this. I'm not even kidding. There's no risk getting shut down by an autoresponder or Google or Facebook. And of course, I almost forgot the biggest detail. Payments are quick and you get paid from trusted companies with years of experience and billions of dollars generated. Now I can keep talking all day, but let me show you some proof. Now these screenshots are not a fluke. They are not something magical. They are real earnings that are easily generated with this system. We literally make $500 sales by pulling the traffic to us, pulling the sales to us, and how do we do that? We provide services with massive demand and no supply, which means no competition. And we don't even need to create or work for these services, but we also don't need to do arbitrage and buy them elsewhere. We take advantage of what's called GPL license rights for WordPress plugins and themes. We install plugins and themes to different site owners based on their needs and what will be best for their website, and they happily pay $50, $250, and even $500 for this. Just check out some of the sales we're making, and sales like these. And they come to us as experts. We don't need to chase them, call them, target them, nothing. I promise you, no traffic involved whatsoever. It's the easiest way to make money on the planet right now as far as I'm concerned. However, if you attempt to do this on your own, and I don't blame you if you try, you'll face massive challenges like we did. In fact, for months, we failed miserably trying to get this to work, and here's why. First of all, it's expensive to constantly buy themes and plugins with the best license rights. And also, it's hard work and time-consuming to always be researching and always having the right license rights and making sure everything is up to date. And then finally, you need to fit the right plugins, themes, and upsells to the specific vision and need of the client. And you need to know what's best for them, as they don't know. However, with our system today, you won't need to know anything. Everything is taken care of for you. We'll give you everything you need done for you, from plugins, themes, training, and we'll help you earn money today. Yes, you can actually make sales today with this, with zero competition. Everything is automated, done for you, and easy with this system. The research, done for you. The themes, done for you. The plugins, done for you. The clients? Done for you. The right license rights? Done for you. The scaling? Done for you. It is the only true copy and paste system out there. Add to it that it's unique and you're looking at a winner for your financial needs. Allow me to introduce Newbie. It's broken down into 3 stages. Stage 1. The Newbie method, where there's no traffic and no website needed. The main Newbie method is broken down into 9 easy-to-follow modules that make sure you get all the instructions you need to make money with this. Then moving on to stage number 2, using our copy-paste material so that no manual work or research is ever needed. After you've followed the method, you'll be asked to perform certain tasks with themes and plugins. Normally this means lots of research and expenses. But with stage number 2, we give you everything, and you don't need to do any work at all. Finally, stage 3, scaling for big money, done by expanding to new places with high-paying clients. If you want to make truly big money, I'm talking multiple 6 figures a year with this, then you need to find more clients. In this step, we'll show you how to find clients that already want to pay you and are technically just waiting for you. This also doesn't require a website or traffic. Now there are no hidden fees or extra work involved with this. Remember, this is designed to be the easiest system ever for you. No websites, no traffic, no waiting passively for earning. Go out there and make your first $500 sale without experience today. The amount of value you get inside of Newbie is second to none. Not only will you get the entire strategy laid out to you in an easy-to-follow 3-step process, but you'll also get all that you need to do manually, done for you. And everything is designed so that you have a business that makes you passive money every month, that keeps growing, and that you only need to maintain once a day for a few minutes. And when the clients chase you, that's just insanity. Almost too good to be true. I wish it wasn't. I wish it was more believable and down to earth. But it's just that good, I can't deny. It doesn't get any easier than this to make money online. By now you should have all you need to make the right decision, and it is to get Newbie. But I want to make the deal sweeter. To celebrate this official launch and really over-deliver to you, I'm also going to give you these launch special bonuses if you buy within the launch period. And everything is beautifully packaged in an affordable introductory price that will never repeat itself. All you gotta do right now is jump on this offer while it's hot, cheap, and fresh. And you're looking at a gold mine with ease and speed. And by the way, you may not believe this, but you're protected by a 200% money-back guarantee. Yes, 200%. You can get up to twice your money back if you're not satisfied. The more detailed refund policy is on the bottom of this page. But I'm trying to show you I'm putting everything we can into making sure you are happy. And hey, I've been burnt by products and promises before too. Heck, I still do sometimes. But if there's one thing I learned, is that it takes multiple failures to get up and achieve massive success. And this product may be just what will lift you up and create massive success for you. Don't delay. You know it can change your life. Click the cool looking buy button below to get your copy now. Thank you for watching and best of luck. See you inside.